My name is Temba Shabang, here at Msaweni, ICPC. I'm a leader of the church. I am dreaming every day about this church. I'm looking forward to see first the church growing spiritually. I have made a plan for the year which will enhance the church growth spiritually. That will include prayers, prayer services, Bible study classes, outreach programs, and many other things. Again, I'm looking forward to make sure that the projects that you are seeing outside here are all finished. There is a church project that you see here. It's not finished. We need to do some finish up. Then there is a preschool project that we need to be doing. Meantime, we are doing a preschool here in the church, but we are looking forward to do a class so that they can do their thing very, very openly. And also to finish the pastor's house. And we also need some offices here in the church. I think are those projects that are in my dreams now. Also, I'm dreaming about the church reaching out to this community. I wanted this year to make sure that every home that is in this community is reached with the gospel, is prayed for, and is ministered in love.
Shothi la khaya thina siside la eMangweni sihambele emakhaya. Kula makhaya lesiye siwahambele. Siye sihambele labagulako. Siphinze sibuke timo nje tasemakhaya lokuthi kanjani kula makhaya lesiye sihambe kuwo.
Umfundisi ngimthola khona lapha ngisasebenza. Ungahlali yakala ekhaya. Konje kunamhlanje nasengijwayele ukuthi sengiya esontweni kamfundisi. Uyesontweni kamfundisi kude lokube ngisengakubona kamfundisi. Angendela kona. Amendela libanje. Ngiyibone impatho kuphela simpatho kamfundisi ikho.
Ekhaya abantu abami njalo kwashido babe ukuthi bekasebenza abantu abami. Usebenzile la bekasebenza khona eJozi. Besiphila kahle ngaleso sikhathi. Waseke uyayekela ke lokusebenza. Nyalo akusalumba abantu abami sisaphili kahle ngoba nebantwana niyababona laba bayithu basebancane labantwana la. Manje ke simo la ekhaya simatima vele. Nyalo nje wagula babe nje kude uthi singasitwa ngubani. Ukhona umntana wabhuti wakhe alamaye ungala eJozi naye umfana sincikele kuye nje. Ngiyelo zama nje ukuthi angasisita nangeti imali nekudla nje babe ngoba uyahola impesheni kodwa ke le mali incane le mali le wayihola kude la isisita khona. Njengalo agula nje nyalo. Kumadima vele abantu abami umfundisi babeshabangu sebandleni mina laba beshabangu esontweni basiphatha kahle bayasinika lebasinika kona lokudla into letiningi nje lebasendela tona lebasisekela ngato nemali bayayikhipha khiphele babe ngoba babuphathekile vele nje kumadima abantu abami siyakubonga kona lokudla lenisinika kona la eMangweni wonke lo mango kuyasisita abantu abami lamakhaya siyahlupheka. Siyakubonga lokudla lokuyakhona umuntu sadle ngoba indlala ibhokile indlala akudliwa lutho lamakhaya.
Masithola simo silendlala, simo sekudla, shothi siye sizame la ekhaya lokuthi sithole lama rice pack bese sesiyahamba siyonikela kulelo khaya la liswele khona kudla. Masithola simo setimpahla lokuthi nje la khaya siyabona ukuthi lesimo sakhona abantwana bacakile noma bobabe noma babe noma make ucakile ngekugcoka siyathatha timpahla lebaye basinikelele tona abantu baNkulunkulu sihambe siyonika labantu bakulelo khaya. Cishe ngiloko ke lesiye sikwende la ekhaya ngilokuthi siyakhona lokunakekela lo mmango wethu ngendlela nathi lesikhona ngayo. Shothi uNkulunkulu ngombonile ngendlela lekasebenza ngayo, usebenza ngendlela nami lengingayiconsi. Shothi siye sihambe siye emakhaya. Masifika emakhaya masikhanza lesimo simatima. Siyabuya ebandleni basinikelele sihambe sosita kulelo khaya. Mawukhanza ukuthi kuleli khaya abantu labatinathelako ngoba emakhaya akafanani. Masisafaka thine lo mfutho ukuthi siside la kuleli khaya. La kuleli khaya ukhanza ukuthi bakhona laba lebese sebayasilandzela ngenxa yokuthi sifikile kulelo khaya sasita. Thine ngalana sibona emandla uNkulunkulu, bona ngale babona umusa waNkulunkulu.
Our much appreciations to CMS Swaziland for the care, the love, and the support they are giving to us. Their visit, the support is very, very helpful to us. And much appreciations to CLC Dayton. We so much appreciate your love, your support. We see the food, the clothes, and everything that you give to us. We also use them. We become good stewards of what you are giving to us. So we appreciate a lot. May God richly bless you.